Bakri. And it's great because I haven't gotten an award in a long time, so I really, really appreciate it.
Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, Sayyidati. Oh, sorry. Are you coming?
No, this is for the acting one. Do you want to?
You wanna?
Yeah, please.
Okay, I'm
So please accept Salah's award on his behalf. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
So no prompt machine for me. As a filmmaker who truly loves and appreciates her actors, this makes me very, very happy. I actually think he's one of the best actors on the planet, actually. And he's a very honest person. As a person and an actor. And I think his honesty is his superpower. And I think it's his honesty that manifests in his performances that make him such an exceptional actor. And in the spirit of Saleh's honesty, who unfortunately could not be here to attend the festival and could not be here to receive this award. In the spirit of his honesty as a Palestinian, I know that if he was here before you, he would not hesitate, not for a second, to say stop the genocide in Gaza. Brothers and sisters and children in Gaza. Thank you. Thank you to the Red Sea. And thank you to the jury for recognizing Saleh's talent, his work, and ultimately his honesty. Thank you.